Put it right here. Careful, watch your step. Next one coming up.
The calibration levels look good on the main assembly.
Acknowledged. We should increase the throughput on line 3.
There's an inconsistency at coordinate B4. See the frame.
Confirmed. The tensile strength here is compromised.
The tension on loom 3 is fluctuating again. Look at this spike. I'll adjust the parameters now. Much better. Holding steady at 22.
The imaging confirms the anomaly, but it appears structurally insignificant.
Agreed. The automated analysis confirms a pass rating. We can proceed.
The concentration levels are fluctuating more than expected in the blue sample.
Agreed. Let's recalibrate the pH probe and rerun the thermal cycle.
I think the fit here is excellent. Look at the texture.
It really is. It really is.
Yeah.
Okay, let's cut it right here for the pattern piece.
Here is the full payment for the stamps.
We received it. Thank you very much.
The calibration is crucial for this batch. Ensure the measurements match the specifications exactly.
Understood. I'll double check the readings before we proceed.
The weight is 45.2 and the length is exactly 15 meters.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
"42 cases confirmed. Updating the manifest now."
Pull it tighter. Make sure the fiber holds.
Yes, stacking the next one now.
So right here, the green stems are loaded onto the belts. They are then sorted by the machines you see moving overhead.
The BioInk is flowing smoothly now.
Good. The cross-linking should be stable at this temperature.
Yes.
We should have the first scaffold ready in 5 minutes.
Look how clean the river is already.
And we're all set here. Great job, team.
Carefully align the connector right there. The tolerances are tight.
Got it. Connecting the wire now.
Perfect. The system shows green across the board.
The tensile strength is exceeding our projections at this temperature.
The data confirms a 20% improvement over the baseline.
The blend is perfect. The tensile strength increased by 20%.
Excellent. Let's run the analysis again to confirm the consistency.
The AI suggests a slight reduction in pressure here.
Yes, I see the spike adjusting now.
Look, it shows the exact farm in the Philippines.
Wow, that's impressive transparency.
Damn.
The fabric feels amazing too.
The shelters are resilient, and this new filtration system provides clean water using the same fibers.
It's amazing how much things have improved here.
I know, right? It feels good to have such steady work and a great team.